In the first lesson of Solidworks, I will introduce you to the home page of the application. Once you launch Solidworks, the welcome window appears. From this window, you can create a new document, you can view your recent files, and you can also watch tutorials about Solidworks. With the Home tab active, the Part, Assembly and Drawing icons appear on the top of the window. If you click on one of those icons, you can create a new part file, a new assembly file, or a new drawing file, respectively. In the Recent Documents area, the documents that you have recently modified or reviewed appear, while in the Recent Folders area appear all the folders that you have recently opened. In the Resources area, you can find several useful links from which you can see what's new about Solidworks and enter several forums about Solidworks. To close this window, just click on Close. Now, if you want this window to reappear, all you have to do is click on the Welcome icon of Solidworks. Now that the Welcome window appeared again, I will close it. If I hover the cursor over the Solidworks icon on the top left of the window, the menu of the application appears. If you want to pin the menu bar, then all you have to do is to click on the pin icon on the right. On the right of the menu, the Quick Access toolbar appears. In the Quick Access toolbar, you can find useful tools like the New icon, the Open icon, the Save icon, the Print icon, the Undo icon, the Redo icon, the Select icon, as well as the Rebuild icon, the File Properties icon, and the Options icon. The File Properties has to do with the properties of the open document, while the Options icon has to do with the properties and options of the application. On the right, there is a search field. You can type any word or phrase in this field to search for information about this particular word or phrase. For example, I will type the word line and press Enter. Now all the results that appeared contain the word line. Next to the search field, there is the login icon. If I click on this icon, I can log into my Solidworks account. Next to the login icon, there's a help icon. If I click on this icon, several options appear. I can use those options to learn about how a tool works, for example. Last but not least, there are three more buttons on the top right of the window: the Minimize button, the Maximize button, and the Close button. On the right of the window, there is a box which contains several tabs. The first tab is called Solidworks Resources and contains several SolidWorks tools. The second tab is the Design Library tab and contains all the Solidworks libraries. Next is the File Explorer tab, from which you can search SolidWorks documents that you have saved in your computer. From the View Palette tab, we can see several views of the object we have created. From the Appearances, Scenes and Decals tab, you can adjust the appearance of the object and you can change its material. Last but not least, from the Custom Properties tab, you can view and edit the properties of a file. You can manually adjust which tabs will appear in this box by clicking the gear icon. From the window that appears, check the tabs that you want to appear in the box. You can change the position by clicking and dragging a tab, and you can also click on the right to select the default tab. In this example, I will set the File Explorer tab as the default tab and close this window. If you accidentally click somewhere on the application window, this box collapses. If you want to dock it on the right of the application window, just click on the pin icon on the right. So this is what Solidworks homepage looks like. In the following lessons, we will see the user interface of part file, an assembly file, and a drawing file, respectively.